Hey everybody, it's Ruby Miranda, the Texas Queen of Real Estate. Today we're at 809 Junewood. I'm gonna tell you about the 5 things I love about this property. Number 1, the first thing, I love the square footage. It's 2143 square feet with a 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. Let's come on in and take a look inside. Feature number 2 that I love, this office. I love having a dedicated office space so that you can get stuff done. Maybe play a few games, maybe do a little bit more. Definitely come check out this space. Feature number 3 that I love, this kitchen. First I want to show you this super cute pantry door. Love it, love it, love it. And all the counter space that you have in here for cooking, entertaining, it's just super awesome. Love the kitchen, love the space. You're also sure to love it. Feature number 4 that I love, this beautiful, large living room. I love a couple of things about it. Love the fireplace, love it, love it, love it. And I love the fact that it overlooks the kitchen. I really like that because I feel like whenever you have this type of space, you can entertain in here, they can be cooking over there, and everybody can still be mingling. So this is a fabulous space and I really, really love it. Again, you will love entertaining your family in here. Come on, let's take a look at feature number 5 that we love. Oh, hey guys, feature number 5 that I love about this house, this restroom. I mean, it is gorgeous with this beautiful glass stand-up shower, beautiful fixtures. Love the garden tub and love these beautiful sinks. Now they actually have a his sink and a her sink. Definitely you want to come check this out. Make an appointment as soon as possible to come see this one. It's a gorgeous house. You're going to love it. And guys, to tell the truth, I limited my favorite features to 5, but there's so much more about this house that y'all need to come check out. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye.